You know how frustrating it is seeing all those new cameras come out, but in Hong Kong, I still don't know when I can get my hands on them. Well, conveniently, it is a CP Plus camera show in Yokohama, Japan, so I just came here to look at all of them at once, all in one place. Convenience. Now I'm waiting to get in line to try out the Sony a7 Mark III. So this is a new basic model of their full-frame mirrorless. I mean, usually when you think of entry-level, standard, the lower end of camera, they usually got like old text in them, really basic on function. Not this one, but they call this basic. They are probably redefining what you think it is a standard entry-level camera. So finally get this in hand. Now this really feels like the A9. I mean, of course, the body is really similar to A9. And then it got a lot of things from A9 as well. The battery, now it's the new battery. Sony claimed that this has the longest battery life across all mirrorless camera. All mirrorless camera. What's more, this is 10 FPS with AF tracking as well. Let's do it. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Wow. What's more from the A9 is that it got a similar AF system from the A9. It got totally, I can't remember that, totally 693 face detection AF point with 425 contrast detection point. This is actually more than a7III. The only thing it can't do is, compared to the A9, is A9 do 20 FPS. This has do 10 FPS. Now something also from a7III is that, now you see, this happened to a lot of A7 users, that you accidentally turn off the rear LCD by blocking the viewfinder. But this, if you pull it out just a little bit, it no longer doing that. It determines that you are using the LCD, so it don't turn it off. Of course, it also got the joystick from the A9. Maybe the most important thing, dual card slot on an entry-level camera. 2 USB. Micro USB and USB-C. This is especially useful for people who want to tether and charge it at the same time. And it's around the same price as, for example, like 60 Mark II, the 750. So that is a Sony a7 Mark III. Really amazing camera. Now, what I'm really hoping for is, where is my a7S Mark III? Come on, Sony, you can do it. Also, this is a new, well, not new, under development, 400mm G Master lens. Whoa, look at that! It's black hole.